The dark curls are back, so check out this voluminous wash and go that I did with only a 2-product combo. Watch this. Moving right into this wash and go, I am starting off with freshly shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned hair. And I'm going to apply the Afro Green Tea Reconstructor. Now, this doesn't technically count as my 2-product combo, but I love adding this in on my bare hair prior to adding the products because this helps build the bonds in your hair. And also, this is really good if you have color treated hair. So definitely check this out. It's heat activated, which I will be activating once I diffuse it. But again, I love adding this on prior to my products. Now, the first product is this Bonita Afro Balm by the brand called the Doux. When I tell you I love this cream, just look at the thick consistency. A little goes a long way. It smells really good. And I like using thicker curl creams, especially as I apply it. I like to see that it's clumping some of those curls together already prior to me adding the styler. This is a really good, thick curl cream or texture cream to add onto your hair, especially in the wintertime. So if it's getting colder outside and you want something a little bit stronger, or not stronger, but a little bit heavier for more moisture, I would definitely go with this Bonita Afro Balm. Next, I'm going in with the Crazy Sexy Curl foaming mousse by the Doux, and I love this. You guys have seen me do a video on this when I had my blonde curls, and this foaming mousse is literally everything. The hold is great, it smells amazing, and the longevity is there. I was able to get a good 6 days out of this wash and go, which is really good considering the price. I will say these 2 products are on the pricier side, but I do believe it is well worth it, especially with the Bonita Afro Balm, because like I said, a little goes a long way. Now for me, I definitely could probably go through this foaming mousse probably after a good 3 wash and goes, because I do like to, use quite a few pumps of that. But you're going to see me go in and just divide my hair in vertical section parts, and I'm going in with my dimming brush to define the curls. Now, one thing I've also noticed is as you add the Bonita Afro Balm, I would definitely make sure your hair is a little bit on the soaking wet side. I just find that the curls define a lot better as the products are applied with wet hair rather than like dry to damp hair. So that's something else to keep in mind. And as you can see, I am taking that dimming brush and kind of curling it under or tucking it under as I comb down. This kind of like creates like a ribbon effect, I guess, just to kind of make it have that spiral curl. And there are certain sections in my hair, especially towards the back, that are like a little bit more heat stressed. Like I said, I actually straightened my hair twice back to back last year. So this was my first time doing a wash and go since then. So I feel like, when it comes to wash and goes, the first one that you do after like having your hair pressed out always acts a little funny in my opinion. And it just, needs to be reminded of how to curl. So with some of those pieces that are a little bit on the straighter side, I am going to go in and finger coil them after I define it with the dimming brush. And again, it's not that it's necessarily heat damage, it's just little heat stress, because I guarantee after like 2 or 3 more washes, it's going to pretty much spring back up. Granted, I did do a Aztec clay mask, so I was able to kind of strip my hair and reset it. So again, it's just trying to remember how to do a spiral curl. And maybe me coloring my hair has something to do with it too. I don't know, we'll see. But as you can see in the beginning, the results were there, okay? The curls were springing. So I love this product combo. Like I said, the longevity is definitely there. And I'm just going to continue to take smaller pieces or smaller sections and just making sure I'm really getting those as defined as I want. All of the pieces I did not finger coil, like I said, just only a few. But I was able to get through this pretty quickly. I know I have it kind of sped up, but it only took me about a good 40 minutes to go through my entire head. Now that sounds like a lot, but I have a lot of hair. So yeah, just enjoy the process, y'all. Adding that Bonita Afro Balm and then the Crazy Sexy Curl foaming mousse and that dimming brush, the Magic Trio. This is how the back looks once I am done defining it. The curls are there, honey. It is juicy, it is springing, and like I said, my hair is pretty deceiving when it's wet, but the spirals are going to spiral once it's dry. So I decided to do a side part. So as I move to the front, same technique, same process. I'm going to go in vertical parts. Now, I personally like doing vertical parts because I just find that it allows me to have more volume and movement once the hair is dry. Definitely try it out. It works. Especially if you try to do like horizontal parts. I don't know why. It just seems as if there's more body and movement. So that's exactly what I'm doing for the front section. And I'm going through this pretty quickly too. Now, as I move closer and closer to the top, I really do like to finger coil the majority of the pieces because I just find that the curls on the crown area of my hair are a little bit looser. So I just like to kind of help it, you know, have that spring back action. How my hair looks once I am done defining the curls. Now, I like to let it sit on my hair for a good hour, and I know you can see there's quite a difference of it already shrinking up, but I allow the products to marinate and set on my hair. This allows me to have less frizz, especially after I go in and diffuse it. Alright, you guys, this is how my hair is looking. I did a wash and go. Tried to do like a deep side part wash and go. Feel a little awkward with this length that I have going on right now, especially since I haven't done a wash and go in like 2 months since I actually dyed my hair. So I'm really impressed that the curls are back. I always say that whenever I do the Aztec clay mask, it's like a hard reset. Whenever I straighten my hair and try to go to a wash and go, it does kind of act funny, like the curls will be a little bit more wavy and not as springy. So I'm glad that the spring action is there. I did diffuse and go in and pick my hair out a lot, so there is a little frizz, but I do like the little pop of brown. But again, I'm still gonna go back and get it dyed completely black because, like I said, I just wanted to go completely black all the way. I want to experiment with curly clip-ins soon to like really give me that va-va-voom or like a really elongated va-va-voom, but we'll see. This is how the side profile is looking. And the back, just to give you guys an idea of some length. But yeah, I'm happy. I always say, the start of a new year or the start of every quarter, do an Aztec clay mask, deep condition, and your curls will be really good to go. Show y'all up close. Love the volume. I'm just excited to see how big I can like really grow this out the longer that it gets. So stay tuned, y'all. 2024, I'm not gonna be scissor happy, I promise, because I truly want to see a big fro. Let me know what you guys think about this, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.